Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video we're going to make a delicious and spicy roasted tomatillo or salsa verde that you can serve with just about anything, especially tacos and burritos. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the description of the video, but you could also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this salsa, we're going to need tomatillos, which can be found at most grocery stores, and we're going to peel them and rinse them in cold water. We're also going to need hot peppers like jalapenos or serranos, depending on how spicy you want it to be. We're also going to use garlic unpeeled because we're going to roast it, and half of a white onion. We're going to place them on a baking sheet, and then we're going to broil them for about 5 to 8 minutes, maybe more, until they start to blister and turn black on some spots. It all depends on how dark you want them to be. Then very carefully, we're going to flip them over. That way we can roast them on the other side. And then we're going to place the baking sheet back in the broiler and broil them for another 5 to 8 minutes or until they start to blister again. After that, we're going to take them out of the oven and let them cool for a bit. Once they're cool enough to handle, we're going to peel off the garlic, and then we place everything in a blender or food processor, starting with the onion, the garlic, the jalapenos. We're also going to be adding fresh cilantro, and of course the tomatillos. Now we're going to cover it and blend it until we get the consistency that we want. If you want it chunky, you can blend it for maybe a few seconds, but if you want it smoother, then you can blend it for longer. Once it's blended, we're going to pour it into a serving bowl or salsa bowl, and if you want, you can add a little bit of lime juice. I ran out of limes, so I'm using bottled lime juice. And the other ingredient that I'm adding is water to dilute it because I noticed that it was a bit too thick for my taste. And then all we have to do is season with salt to taste before serving. And that's your recipe for making a delicious roasted tomatillo or salsa verde.